You can have a heart of anything, but why would you want a heart of carbon?
Well, really, it's like this, carbon really represents a lot of different things, and carbon itself is made the strongest material. It's also made the softest material. Carbon makes pure lead used on the number 2 pencil, but at the same time make a diamond, and it's just all about pressure. And what I came from is I came from the pressure, and I came from that carbon being put under that pressure to resolve into the diamond that I am. Well, I would say my heart is today. It's solid, it's pure, and it shines resilient.